Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to disable access to different system programs and USB drives with just one click in Windows. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for the application name as URC Access Mods, and on the first list you will see our website name is sourceforce.net, so just click on it. Now you can see here a download option. Just click on download to firstly download this file. Wait for a few seconds. So the download has been completed, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close the web browser. So you can see it's a zip file, so just double click it to extract this file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you can see our application, just double click it to run this software. Now once you open or run this software, you can see this kind of user interface, right? So don't get confused, I will explain you everything here. On the above you can see here enable all and disable all. So if you want to disable all the access to the USB storage drive or the devices, that is USB pen drives or external hard disk drives, you can just disable, or you can select a read only also. And here you can see protects your computer from new pen drives and SSDs from detect. You can just set a lock, and you can see here for the if you have a CD or DVD drives, then you can just disable those also. You can disable registry, disable GP edit, that is Windows Group Policy Editor, Windows Task Manager, Windows Command Prompt, files and folders options, and there's more like show hidden files and folders, show system hidden folders, show file extensions. So you can disable almost everything just by clicking on disable all. But before clicking on disable all, I will highly recommend you to set a password. If you have not set a password, just by clicking on a password you can set a password, since by default it does not create any password for you. So anyone who finds this applications can restore it back or get access by enabling all, which you have disabled earlier. So setting a password for these applications will gonna help you to get protected from anyone who wants to do changes on the respective system programs or the USB drives. So here I will not set any password, but for your reference, kindly set a password before using this software. So after setting a password, you can either choose a selective programs to disable access, or if you want to disable everything, then just click on disable all. Now you can see every program's system program as well as the USB drives has been disabled. So after selecting all the options, you can see your apply. Just click on apply, click on yes, click on OK, click on OK. Now you can do a refresh also to confirm it. So let us try to open like system programs like the Windows Command Prompt. Let me open a Windows Command Prompt. So you can see here the Command Prompt has been disabled by the administrator. So I can use a Command Prompt. Let us try the Task Manager. Let me open the Task Manager. So you can see Task Manager has been disabled by administrator. And let us try to open a Windows Registry Editor also. So you can see it is being disabled. So everything is disabled within just one click. So if you want to enable it again, everything, then you can just click on this enable all, and after that click on apply, click on yes, click on OK, click on OK, and let us click on refresh. And now let us try to open one by one registry. So it's opening back. Let us try to open a command prompt. So you can see command prompt is working again. Let's try to open the Task Manager. So Task Manager is working again. So this software will help you to disable access to different system programs and USB drives with just one click in your respective Windows computer. So if you never known about this very useful software named as URC Access Mods, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, Thanks for watching.